We are standing here at the DTK Group. DTK stands for the Tassenkoning. In the beginning, our company started to produce small paper bags for, as it is now, our biggest customer, takeaway. After that, we have built up some different divisions, and we are now producing working clothes, sportswear, packaging materials, and also even e-bikes. In the last 5 years, we grew almost more than 100% per year. So we needed to invest in a new warehouse management system to keep up with the growth and to increase our productivity.
DTK uses the print ship solution where the packing slip and the address label is combined, and this is printed on a Lexmark printer.
In the old situation, we had to print the order, print the packing slip and also print the shipping label, and it took almost up to 2.5 minutes per complete order. Now we are printing it on one label and are able to do it in 15 seconds.
My colleagues printed the labels, now I'm scanning them. After I scan them, I pick a box and then I will attach the labels to it, and that's it. The packing list and the address are on the same label now, so there's no risk of confusion anymore. And it's very easy to attach the label to the box. That's it, very easy.
The products that are involved in this solution are Lexmark printers, pinpoint labels, transport software manager from nShift. What's great about this solution, it's a triple strike where it's environmentally friendly. It eliminates single-use plastic. It raises your capacity of the amount of boxes that you can send per hour or per minute. You make a process that's maybe minutes, you bring it back to seconds, and it lowers the cost.
The benefits of this solution is that less people are involved in the process. There's less stress in the organization. The flow in the complete process is much better. And in the end, we are more sustainable.
We always work with partners. In this specific case, we work with PakTechno. They are a service fulfillment provider. They deliver the printers, they send off the supplies and manage DTK with a monitoring tool.
We are very happy with the new system. We are saving 35 printing hours per day. We are doing more orders in the same time with less people, less stress, reducing energy and reducing plastic waste.